this video we're going to go over how to use the point cloud image viewing program I have developed using Open3D and Python3. So to start, you must enter the directory with the point clouds, and from there you would type Python3, and then it's going to be view point cloud. To see the list of possible flags that you can pass to view point cloud, you pass the -h option, which prints out helpful information on how to use the program. From here we can see we need to pass in the point cloud directory, and then we can optionally provide a list of point clouds that we want to view as a number from 1 to n. So I want to see all of the point clouds in the current directory in repos ipro, and I want to see point cloud number 2. From here, the view point cloud function is going to read in all of the point clouds that are in the directory you specified, in this case /, which is the current directory, and then once all of the files are loaded, they will then be downsampled so that way they can be viewed easily. From there, it will then select the requested point cloud and display its downsampled version. And from here, we have a downsampled point cloud that we can rotate using the left mouse button. We can drag around in space, translating it with Control left mouse button. With Shift left mouse button, you rotate it, and then Alt left click will pan around the room as if you were looking at it through your head. You can also zoom in by scrolling down, and as we can see here, we can actually see the individual voxels if we zoom in enough. This has been downsampled using a 2 centimeter voxel. So every 2 centimeter by 2 centimeter by 2 centimeter cube is converted into a single quote-unquote pixel or voxel and is displayed on the screen here, which reduces the number of points in the cloud, making it much easier to work with. And with this, we can see that the terminal will not exit until we close the Open3D viewer. However, the Open3D viewer is completely independent of the Python3 running here. It is a separate process. And when you close the last window that is viewing a point cloud, the command line will return to you. If you want to see all point clouds in the current directory, do not specify a number. But keep in mind this will take a little while, because one has to open all of the files and read them, then it has to downsample them, and then it can display all of them, opening up a new window for each of them. And keep in mind, the only way to return to the command line after that is to close all of the viewing windows. And once you do that, you get your command line back and you are free to do anything else.